So hi guys, welcome back to my channel pala, welcome naman ulit. So ito na pala yung tinahi ko kagabi guys, 16 by 24 ang sukat nito. Ito yung binibenta ko ng 45, 40 pala. Tapos, matagal ko na itong tinabas, pero ngayon ko lang siya tinahi. Kagabi lang pala, kagabi lang ako sinipag. So, ito yung forma ng tahi ko sa loob. Ano siya. Hindi ko na, may aging naman ako, pero hindi ko in-aging. Ano siya. Ang tawag nito? Naka-Balenciaga. Naka-Balenciaga siya. Ganyan, Balenciaga. Ito yung tahi na Balenciaga, guys. Ayan. Ganyan. At ganyan. So, ito naka-Balenciaga. May aging ako, pero hindi ko na in-aging kasi mas gusto ko yung kasing Balenciaga ba. Ganito. Ayan. Naka-overlap. Overlap. Ayan, nakaganyan siya. Ayan, nakatago yung zipper niya, kaya tawag siyang overlap. So, ito na. Hindi ko pala ito na. Ayan, tapos yung dito niya, naka 160 naman siya. Tago ang zipper. Ayan siya, guys. Medyo madumi lang ito, no? Kay, gito siya. Ay, sweet dreams, oh. Pag ito yung ginawa mong punda, sweet dreams daw. Yan. Sweet dreams. Dito, sweet dreams. Hello Kitty pala to. Ayan siya. Mga ilan tong natapos ko kagabi. 10. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito, guys. So, tapos na. Salamat sa inyong panunood ng aking puro to over matibay naman yung nito. Mas matibay kasi yung ganito kaysa i-aging ko. Ayan siya, oh. Wala siyang wala siyang yung maghihimulbol ba ang tawag niyan. Pag in-aging ko kasi ito, guys, syempre pag nawawashing siya, yung dito niya, sabi tawag ganun, matastas or mahimulmul o sa baoy, basta yun na yun, matastas. So ayun lang ang share ko, guys, tungkol lang sa tinahi kong punda. Nabintahan ako ng 2 nito. Wala naman tong order, guys, pero tinahi ko lang to kasi ipapadala ko to sa Camotes Island dahil doon ito ibibinta ng aking mama. Uuwi yung aking kapatid ngayong December.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Kuya.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
So, yun.